This instructional video is going to be for the JW Broadcasting original song, The New World to Come. So this song is in the key of G. Move it down here. Key of G. And the chords that you're going to need to play this song are G, C, A minor, B minor, D, D with an extension, so you're going to put your pinky on the 5th fret of the A string and bar the 2nd, like that. After that you need an E minor, an A, B7, barring the 2nd fret, and 2nd fret with your pointer finger, and playing the 3rd fret of your C. That's the B7. You also have the option of playing an open A minor 7, so just open strings. And then aside from that, there are just some inverted chords that you can play during the instrumental portion if you feel up to that. The inverted chords are G, just played, it's the exact same chord shape as an E, but just up on your 5th and 7th frets. And then C, which is played exactly like a G chord, but up on your 7th and 8th fret there. E minor, which is barring the 7th fret. You can play it just like that, actually. That's an E minor 7. Sounds pretty close to an E minor, or you can put your ring finger on the 9th fret of your G string to give it the true E minor. D will play it just like a B, but moving it up to the 5th fret with your pointer finger, 5th, 6th, and 7th. So just like a B, but that's going to be your D. Inverted chord, B minor, we'll play that just like a G minor. So G minor down here, that would be your G minor chord. So this is your root note, the G, move it up to A, so that's your A minor, and then B minor. And actually you do have an A minor extension, inversion as well, so that'll be down here. And then C, once again, and D. So D will be played just like that C, just like that G chord shape, C, but it will be played on your 9th and 10th frets. So that last part of the instrumental goes A minor, B minor, C, and then D. It makes it very easy to go right up the fretboard without difficult chord changes. So those are the chords that you need to play this basic version of the New World to Come. So let's do a playthrough. The strumming pattern is going to be a down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So it'll be etc. You're going to have some variations in this as the chord changes happen, but that's going to be the basic model for a rhythm for playing this song. So let's try to do a little playthrough and see how it comes out. We'll play along with the original song, and by the way, you can print out the sheet for this along with the chords you're going to need. I'll put a link in the description. So just follow that and print it out, and that way it'll be easy to play along with. Let's try this.
Take a moment now, picture the scene. Up ahead on the path for what seemed to be children laughing and playing, in a world free of the fears we once faced, and taking care of this beautiful earth. Our people that live by our Father's words until the moon is no more.
right, so that's the basic version of this song, The New World to Come. Hopefully this gives you some ideas. I'm also going to be posting a video for a more melodic, like a chord melody type of version for this song. So instead of just playing the rhythm, it'll have a little more finger picking in it. For example, for the introduction of this song, so that type of more melody within the song. So if you're interested in that, check out that video. I'll put that up as soon as I'm able to. Hopefully this helps, and if you have any questions, post them in the comments below. Thanks. Bye.